Welcome back. Wow, what a week. Silver's absolutely crushing it in 2025 with a game-changing moment on Friday, July 11th when the silver price blasted past $38 per ounce, closing at $38.34 in the spot market and $39.07 in the futures market, which is the highest since 2011. With a 149 million ounce market deficit and industrial demand soaring, silver stacking is the hottest trend for investors. Whether you're new to silver investment opportunities or a seasoned stacker, this video dives deep into silver market trends, key drivers, and how to start stacking in 2025. Stick around for pro tips. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell for weekly silver market updates. I am Turbo, and this is Turbo Stacking, where we stack with purpose. Let's roll. The silver market is on fire in 2025. On July 11th, silver price surged to $38.34 per ounce in the spot market and $39.07 in the futures, with a 25% year-to-date rally that's outpacing gold's 26% gain, according to Kitco News. This isn't just a fluke. Silver's in its fifth consecutive year of a 149 million ounce market deficit, as reported by the Silver Institute. Why? Industrial demand is through the roof, projected to hit 710 million ounces this year. Solar panel production alone is gobbling up 225 million ounces, with electric vehicle, wiring, and AI-driven electronics pushing demand even higher. Supply can't keep up. Mine output dropped to 1.03 billion ounces in 2024, down from 1.07 billion in 2010. With environmental regulations in Peru and Mexico, key silver producers, causing bottlenecks. Many market analysts are hyping a cup and handle breakout pattern, predicting silver could hit $40 to $60 by mid-2025. The gold to silver ratio at 87-1 screams undervalued silver. Historically, a ratio closer to 60-1 could mean $50+ silver soon. Stackers, this is your moment. What's fueling this silver bull market? Let's break down the 5 key drivers for 2025. The first one is geopolitical chaos. President Trump's 35% tariff threats on Canadian goods set to kick in August 1st are rattling markets. Add Middle East tensions and China's economic slowdown, and investors are flocking to safe haven assets like silver. Russia's central bank is stockpiling with plans to buy $535 million in silver over 3 years. Number 2, sticky inflation. Inflation expectations are stuck at 4 to 5%, eroding fiat currencies. Silver's inflation hedge status is pulling in retail investors, with physical silver sales up 3% in North America. Number 3, supply and demand imbalance. A 189 million ounce supply deficit is projected for 2025. Total demand, 1.21 billion ounces, dwarfs mine output, with silver recycling, about 200 million ounces, barely denting the gap. Number 4, industrial boom. Green energy is a game changer. Photovoltaics and EV wiring consume 83% of mined silver, up from 51% a decade ago. AI technology and chips and 5G infrastructure adds more pressure. Number 5, investor surge. Silver ETF inflows hit 95 million ounces in H1 2025, topping all of 2024. Futures markets show banks scrambling to cover record short positions, hinting at a short squeeze. Analysts like JP Morgan see $38 to $39 silver by year end, while bolder voices predict $100 long term. What do you think? $50 or $100 first? Does that even make sense? I don't know. Drop your predictions below. The silver market in 2025 is a treasure trove for stackers. Here's why and how to seize the moment. Undervalued gem. The gold to silver ratio at 87-1 versus a historical 60-1 suggests silver's a bargain. A ratio correction could push silver to $50 to $55 per ounce, especially after July 11th's $38+ close. Physical silver boom. American silver eagles and Canadian maple leafs are in high demand, with 3% growth in North American and European purchases. Premiums on eagles are $5 to $7 over spot, reflecting physical silver hype. Volatility as opportunity. Silver's 29.6% year-to-date gain means correction, such as to $37 per analyst Peter Krauth, are buying windows. Dollar cost averaging lets you stack smarter, spreading purchases monthly. Industrial support, green tech, solar EVs. Industrial support, green tech, solar EVs, and AI creates a price floor. Even in a slowdown, industrial demand ensures silver's value, making silver stacking a sustainable investment. Diversification power, allocating 5 to 20% to physical silver cuts portfolio risk. Silver's low correlation with stocks is perfect for wealth preservation in economic uncertainty. New stackers, what's stopping you? Veterans, what's your biggest stack? Share below. Ready to join the turbo stacking crew? Here's your 2025 playbook. Number 1, be sure to choose trusted dealers. Go for LBMA certified dealers like JM Bullion, APMEX, Scottsdale Bullion, SD Bullion, Monument Metals, Hero Bullion, Bold Precious Metals. Check reviews and authenticity to dodge fakes. For example, JM Bullion's 4.8 star rating on Trustpilot is a green flag. Number 2, pick your silver. Silver coins like American Silver Eagles, which are 1 ounce, approximately $45 with premium, are liquid and collectible. Silver bars, 10 ounce, about $390, offer lower premiums for bulk stackers. A $5,000 budget gets about 130 ounces in bars versus about 110 ounces in coins. Plan your goals. Number 3, budget wisely. Start with a $2,000 to $2,000 monthly budget. Dollar cost averaging avoids chasing peaks. July's $1.35 per ounce jump on July 11th shows timing matters, but consistency wins. Number 4, secure storage. Use a high security home safe, like a Fort Knox, which is about $1,000, or depositories like Brinks for $10 to $20 per month. Tariff risks may spike premiums, so buy now. Number 5, stay sharp. Track silver market trends on Kitco, Investing Haven, or Turbo Stacking. Join Turbo Stacking's community for silver price predictions. What's your first step? Comment on your stacking plan. Stackers, silver's $38.34 close on July 11th, 2025 is just the beginning. With a 149 million ounce deficit, record industrial demand, and safe haven appeal, silver stacking is your key to the silver bull market. Don't wait for $50 or $100. Start now for wealth preservation. What's your favorite silver to stack? Eagles, bars, or rounds? Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more silver market updates. Every stacker has a story. What's yours? Comment below. God bless. As you were, stack with purpose. Turbo out.